Hey guys, my name is Isabelle Yoo and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I have some really fun and exciting plans this week. I am in a rush to go pick it up right now, but I wanted to show you guys my outfit of the day. So this is what my outfit looks like. It's just this little brown tank top. This is from Urban Outfitters, and then my skirt I believe is from Zara. And then my sunnies are just from P Australia. They're these brown sunnies. They're so perfect for the summer. But yeah, that is the final little look. I'm going to also have to change in my car into my bikini and bathing suit because obviously if we're gonna go out and have our makeup done, we need to get the most quality pics. Smile! Ivy's here. We just got our food. This is the hotcakes and it looks so cute. I can't speak. I literally cannot speak.
Actually, pretty good.
Really? Now I don't know what to say. This is what we ordered, the hotcakes. It was the most aesthetically pleasing thing on the menu, so I chose it for the pics. Truffle fungi. This smells so good. Oh my gosh, you guys, I was supposed to go check the parking meter after 30 minutes and it's been an hour and 15 minutes, so hopefully, praying, fingers crossed, that I did not get a ticket. Thank God, I didn't get a ticket. Do not park. 4:48. Okay, thank you. Thank God I didn't get a ticket. When we said the pizza didn't taste good, but we literally finished the whole thing. We literally finished basically the entire pancake as well. This restaurant is so cute from the inside, and then you look this way and it's just nothing. It's our first time at erewhon. Oh my gosh, the Hailey Bieber smoothie. Really? I feel like everyone that shops here is like so well dressed and put together, and we're over here in our mini skirts. When did you try the Hailey Bieber smoothie?
Like when it first came out, but I don't know, it was too sweet for me.
Have you tried any of the other flavors? I heard the Kylie Jenner one tasted like shit. That's what I heard. This just looks like an elevated Trader Joe's.
See? Oh, so cute. That'd be perfect.
Oh my gosh, I literally just squished it. Oops.
I like this one better.
I like that one too.
Okay.
All of these look so good.
What's this?
Let me see.
Salmon crispy rice.
Oh, it's salmon instead of tuna. That one?
Yeah.
Okay. This is what our cart looks like so far. We got strawberries and sushi. Wait, do they have elk here?
No. He said
They
not
don't.
this
Are you a vlogger or just for personal?
I do TikTok.
Nice, very cool. Just like traveling different places.
Yeah.
That's super cool. How long you been doing that for?
About 3 years.
That's really sick. You okay by following up TikTok?
Oh, I'm sure.
Gained a follower.
Oh my god. That guy was so sweet. We're like panting. And we're all also in heels too, so this gravel sand does not help.
Just girly things.
Just girls. Oh my gosh, we should have changed our shoes. You look like you're in pain. We finally made it. Perfect timing, the sun finally just came out. Look at this hat.
Bro, that's actually kind of cute.
Apparently like my mom's friend
Made it?
Made it, yeah. It's so cute. What the hell? Hopefully no birds come and try to attack us. No, there's so many birds. The weather is like so perfect too. It's been gloomy all day, but the sun finally came out. Are you hungry? Why can I eat again?
Me too.
There are so many birds trying to come and eat our food. Oh hell no! What the heck is going on? What in the world? Please don't poop on me. This is like an assortment of sushi. This is spicy tuna crispy rice, which I heard was really good at erewhon. And then crackers, meat, cheese, and honey and olives. Oh my gosh, this board looks so delicious. And then, wait, how do you say this? Riesling?
Riesling? I don't know.
Riesling wine. Golden hour, sunset time, so we just took some photos, but we also did not bring any wine glasses, so we're gonna have to be drinking straight out of the bottle. Cheers. Babe, I think Tao Beach spicy.
No, actually.
It's so much better. This is not it.
It's okay for a supermarket, but
I feel like people were hyping it up so much. Like I had such high expectations for erewhon food.
It looked good too.
It looked good too. There are so many birds that are staring at us. You guys, my mom's friend knitted this crochet hat and I feel like it matches perfectly with my outfit, and I feel like I got some really good pics, so I'll insert them at the end of this video. Oh my gosh, that is like Pinterest worthy. This is your sign to do a beach picnic, not the olive and the garlic. This is the current situation. I'm surprised it's not falling backwards. Hey guys, it's been a couple days since you last saw me, but today is a really special day. I'm so excited. I am surprising my best friend Mila for her birthday party, since I'm gonna be in Asia, so I won't be here on her actual birthday, which I'm so upset about. But I surprised her with this little envelope, and then inside this envelope basically is going to tell her our activity for the day. I'm so excited. It's right up her alley. She's gonna be here any minute now, so I'm really excited for her to open this card. She has absolutely no idea what we're doing today, but I'm gonna tell you guys first before she gets here. So we are going to Hello Pottery. It's basically where you can make custom phone cases, photo frames, hair claws, those little Mickey Mouse structures, just basically anything that you want customized. I know she loves her phone cases and she loves these little cute designs because she's very coquette girly. I'm going to surprise her. She's gonna be here any second now, so I will talk to you guys when she gets here. Bye. Where do we even begin?
I know.
I feel like we should just pick a bunch and then basic color scheme.
This one's so cute. Chocolate.
Oh, how do you even decide? Is this one cute?
That one is so cute.
Okay. This is easier because you can see everything. Happy birthday. Oh my gosh, this is gonna take forever. Okay.
You're done?
Done. Did you finish?
Oh god.
I have so many in my basket. Oh my gosh, this looks really cute too. I can't believe I looked through every single one. It literally took so long. It took like 30 minutes. These ones up here are really cute too.
Oh yeah.
I don't know if I want it like clear or like protruding out. Like where are these pearl ones? I did not see those. Oh, I think we need to take these two. Tweezer tape. Q-tips. I'll do this one. These are all of my charms. Time to organize these and see which ones I like and don't like.
To get started.
Okay, thank you so much. Can I see both?
Yeah, go ahead.
Thank you. And then these will be finished like by tonight?
Neither of these are gonna dry by tonight, but this one is easier to carry if you want to bring it home today. Otherwise, it will be left here to dry for about 3 days, depending on how thick the cream is.
I think I'm leaning more towards this one. I think these are the ones that I'm getting, and these are the ones that I'm not gonna get. This is what I have so far, Mila. What do you have?
No, I don't look at mine.
She's looking at inspo.
Yeah, I'm not ready yet.
Oh my gosh, is this even good? I don't know. Also, Mila, I feel like we should put our favorite ones on the top, because when we're doing mirror pics, we're covering all the ones on the bottom. So put your favorite ones like towards the top.
That is a good idea.
I don't know, I'm so extra. I was thinking about that. I don't know if I should do this one or this little guy. I feel like this just like ties in everything because it has cinnamon roll. I don't know, I'm so obsessed with it. Is it a guy or a girl?
Cinnamon roll's a dude.
A dude, okay, that's what I thought. Oh my gosh, this one's so cute with the pearls on the camera. I think I'm gonna do that. This one's really cute too. So many options to choose from.
This looks like shit.
What is that, Mila B?
This is so...
That looks so hard.
It is! Oh my god, I don't have a technique.
I think you need like flick your wrist.
Dude, what?
Here you go, Mila.
Oh. No. Oh my god, actually, yeah. This is so bad.
Third time really is the charm.
Yeah.
Oh my god, you're on a fire right now. Yay, we finished. They turned out so cute. This one's Mila's and this one's mine. I'm obsessed. This looks so good. I have to record everything. Oh, wait, it's upside down. Oh my god. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Oh, we keep going. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. my gosh, I was not expecting that at all.
I was like, what are you gasping?
I saw it over them bringing it out and I was like, oh my gosh, is this a sign from Vegas? Didn't know we were in Vegas.